Hello, and this is Dr. Corey King from AskDrKing.com. I'm board certified in integrative medicine, and my passion is helping patients heal faster and with less heartache. In today's video, this is our second video in our 2018 series on how to help the body heal, so stay tuned for some great tips. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into this. This is our second video in our 2018 series on how to help your body heal naturally when you're struggling with a thyroid gland disorder such as Hashimoto's disease. So in our first video, we talked about our mindset and how to get our mindset right for the 2018 year. In this video, we're going to talk about making your refrigerator and your pantry go on a diet. Even though I hate the word diet because the first three letters of the word diet are, and nobody sticks to diets, but we stick to lifestyle changes. So what I mean by putting your refrigerator and your pantry on a diet, we can call it a lifestyle change if you like. I want you to go through your fridge and I want you to start to clean out anything that you accumulated during the holidays or in 2017 that you know you're not supposed to be eating. If you do not know what you're supposed to be eating, I'm going to put a free attachment. You can download it right in the description below. You can download this list of foods that I have my patients focus on and that I have my patients avoid in the beginning when I start working with them. But I want you to go through your refrigerator and I want you to go through your pantry. And I want you to, you can even take that list. I mean, you can have that list with you and you can go, okay, is it on my foods to eat list? If it's not, I'm going to get rid of it and throw it away or donate it if it's unopened. So start going through the fridge and going through the pantry and cleaning out anything that you should not be consuming, because I will admit, over the holidays, what do? We tend to eat some of those foods that we normally know we should not be eating, but it's the holidays, we're traveling, we're visiting, we're having guests over. So some of us, we start to stockpile some of these inflammatory foods. So eating clean is going to be your first step in helping your body heal and accomplish those goals that we discussed on the first video. If we're putting junk into the body, it's like putting bad gasoline into your car. If your gasoline, if it has water in the gas, the motor's not going to run properly. You can tune up the motor all day long, but if you're not cleaning up what you're putting into the motor, it really is not going to matter. So you could be taking healthy supplements, you can be taking the right medication, you could be doing yoga, you could be sitting in saunas, but if you're putting poison inside of the body, it's all for naught. It's just a waste of time and a waste of money. So I want you to focus on eating anti-inflammatory foods. And if you do not know what those are, I'm going to put a link in the description. You can download it. It's what I start my patients on when we first start working together. Now, here's the one caveat to that. If you have any type of genetic mutations and you know that, you may want to consult with a doctor before going and eating this way. The reason I say that is because I run these genetic tests on my patients to help me figure out what's going on with them. But for some of them, if I try to get them to eat healthy and these anti-inflammatory foods, sometimes these good foods will actually create more inflammation in their body. And it's because they have these certain genetic mutations. If you do not know about that, I've talked about that on some other videos. I'll put a link in the description below. I recommend patients use 23andme.com. It does trace your ancestry, but it gives you what is called the raw genetic data that we then use to interpret your genes. So here's your second video in 2018. Your goal is to start cleaning out that fridge and that pantry, put it on a diet or change its lifestyle when it comes to eating, and start focus on consuming these anti-inflammatory foods and getting rid of these old inflammatory foods that maybe they crept back in during the holidays, or maybe you're just starting your food or your health journey and you're just now learning about these foods. Another thing you may want to do, join our thyroid Facebook support group. The link will be below. We're actually having a 4-week recipe challenge right now where all the members, we're all posting recipes each day. So it's pretty cool because you can jump on there and just get free recipes. So I'll put that link below as well. Stay tuned for our third video series where we are going to be discussing detoxing the body, both from a gastrointestinal standpoint and from a liver standpoint. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video.